Good morning all of you. Myself Soni Hire and today we will learn lesson number first, nutrition in a plant. As we know, every day we do the different type of activity and to complete our activity we need energy. So this energy we will get from food and food only is called as the nutrition. So first we will learn the definition of nutrition. So nutrition means the process by which organism take the food, use it for their growth and utilize to perform the different type of activity. Such a process is called as the nutrition. And as we know, we cannot able to prepare our food. For food we depend on plant. So in this lesson we will learn how nutrition take place in a plant or how plant is prepare their nutrition. So first we will learn the mode of nutrition in a plant. So there are the two mode of nutrition is take place in a plant. First is autotrophic nutrition and second is heterotrophic nutrition. So we will start from the first nutrition is autotrophic nutrition. Auto means self and trophy means feeding. Those organisms they can prepare their own food. Such organism is called as the autotroph and their nutrition is called as the autotrophic nutrition. And we know we cannot able to prepare our food and plant only can able to prepare the food. So plant only is called as the autotrophs. So which way plant is prepare the food, this we will learn. So plant prepare the food by the process of photosynthesis. Photo means light, synthesis means to combine. So by the light combination photosynthesis process it will be the complete. But to perform the photosynthesis process in a plant body, plant need four condition. First condition is carbon dioxide, second water and third sunlight. And a fourth condition already it is the present in a leaf, that is called as chlorophyll. Chlorophyll means green pigment. Naturally it is the present in a leaf. So this four condition plant need to complete or perform the photosynthesis process. So this four condition how plant will get, this we will learn. So carbon dioxide gas it will be the enter in a leaves through the small opening and that opening is called as the stomata. This stomata is present on underside of leaves. From that small opening carbon dioxide gas is enter the leaves. Water from the root will get sunlight. From the sunlight when light energy it will come, so chlorophyll it absorb. So when all four condition plant will get, so plant is perform the photosynthesis process. So during this process glucose means food it will be the prepare as well as plant is release the oxygen. This oxygen gas it will be the release or come outside from the stomata. So this way autotrophic nutrition is take place in a plant body. And remaining part we will learn in the next period. Thank you for watch my video.